Now is the most important part, the marketing plan. How are we maximizing exposure so that right buyers will see your home, and not only that, but see the best highlights of your home? There has to be a strategy when marketing your home. That will consist of online marketing, open houses, print strategy, even door knocking. We want to get the most exposure possible because there is buyers who are willing to pay $500,000 for your home. There's another buyer who's willing to pay $550 or $525 or even $490. Our job as your marketing expert is to market the home so the most buyers will see it, so that we can get the buyers that are willing to pay the highest price possible. So we take our marketing strategy and we're gonna come up with everything. A lot of it's gonna be online because nowadays a lot of online marketing is what sells homes. So you wanna make sure that you have a huge online presence, a great website, great ads, great Google PPC, even going on Marketplace or Kijiji. There's certain times of year when a lot of people are looking on Marketplace and Kijiji. So having that online presence and then having those ads directed back to a point, but not only marketing the property, having automation and lead follow-up so that those leads go through a process to make sure they're qualified and able to buy. We don't just want to generate leads online and then never follow up with them. A lot of people do that. They'll generate a lead for whatever it happens to be, a purse or something online, and then they're never followed up with. That person showed intent. They were considering your property or they were considering the product online and they were never followed up with. So that person never becomes a buyer. So we want to make sure that we have a strategy of how to follow up with people and how to get people through the process. So don't underestimate the marketing plan. This is gonna be the most important part because it's gonna make sure you sell it for the highest price possible, the quickest amount of time, and the least amount of hassles.